Are you wondering what stall is and you don't know it yet? No problem. Tito Gab got you. And let's talk about stalls. And if you thought you've stalled, your engine will quit? Wrong. Your enemy here is angle of attack. Let's break it down. So, stall is the aircraft exceeded the angle of attack. And you don't know angle of attack? No problem. Once again, Tito Gab got you. And AOA, or angle of attack, means that is the angle between the chord line and the relative wind. So, before we start, take note, the aircraft can stall at any speed, or any weight, or any altitude. Okay, here are the signs that the airplane is stalling. 1. High nose pitch. 2. Airplane goes slower. And 3. Ineffective controls. And 4 is aircraft buffeting. If in case you don't know what buffeting is, the airplane is shaking. Like this one. 5. The stall horn will make a noise. So, take note. Stall horn will sound at approximately 5 to 10 knots before the actual stall happen. And the last one is uncommanded nose drop. Okay, so I will show you my flight sim footage about stall. And I'll be back. Now you've seen it. So, now you know what stall is, and now you know what happens during stall. And follow for more simple aviation lessons. And this is your Tito Gab, your Tito in the cockpit.